Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is your fearless leader, Jason Fields, and it is May 5th, and just wanted to touch base with you all to talk about the Financial Promise stock market contest. So, we started on May 1st, and just want to give you all some ideas, show you what I'm doing. I entered these trades on May 1st, and I'm already up basically 350, basically $200 once you start taking out the commissions. But over a 3 day period, I'm already up. And to give you all some ideas to get you acclimated and interested in making sure you learn how to invest and trade, I just had a simple strategy. One was the first thing I wanted to do was just cover my bases, right? So, what I did, if you look at what I invested in, I took maybe $4,000, $5,000, a little bit less than that, a little bit less than 5,000, and I invested in the Nasdaq 100, which is that ticker symbol QQQ, and that's Invesco. Then I invested in the Dow 30, UWOW, to show you all what that is. That is ProShares Ultra Pro Dow 30, and then I invested in the two of my favorite funds, the Charles Schwab S&P 500 and the Vanguard S&P 500. I had a little trouble with the platform just because I like these. I like both of those. But as you can see, what I did was nothing sexy, just invested in some ETFs, some mutual funds to cover my bases because 9 times out of 10, guys, for the most part, many money managers can't consistently beat the market on a year over year basis. We have a lot of money managers that do a great job, but what I wanted to do was cover my bases and just get me invest in the indexes themselves, right? So that way, some of my portfolio money is invested in these indexes. That way, I'm not picking a whole bunch of stocks. Maybe later on, I'll get to trade a few, but I wanted to, for me, cover my bases. And so, as you can see, I picked Coca-Cola, which is, I believe, one of the best stocks out there if you do research on it. Again, I invested in the Nasdaq 100, the Dow 30, and the S&P 500. As you can see, I put 25,000 in the S&P 500. Then with the platform, somehow I got one share of the Vanguard 500 index, which again is not a bad index, but I'm looking at maybe doing some things. I don't know. I may just get rid of. I'm gonna get rid of one of these funds because I don't need two. But what I was looking at, and just to show you all how you start now analyzing some of this stuff. So as you can see, I'm up 2% on the Dow 30. I'm up to almost 1% on mostly on everything that I bought. And again, I entered these trades on May 1st, so I think that was maybe a Wednesday or Thursday. So to be up 350, that's not bad. But just to give you an idea of some of the things that I invested in, that may give you some ideas before you all start getting into just individual stocks. I think for you beginners, pick some mutual funds, and I would say maybe look at some indexes just because for me that's worked. Again, the proof is in the pudding. I'm up 350, and currently I'm in first place. So with 100,292, all of my friends, some of you guys are not traded yet. I'm not sure who this is, but I looked. You can also see what we all invest in if you go to view. I love Black BG. I love the fact that he's investing or she's investing. And actually, I don't think they have bad stocks in their portfolio. So, um, you know, again, I think this person will do very well. Some of you in the contest, you got money just because it's basically a money market, so it gives you a real live kind of um, brokerage account feel. And so, what I would suggest is some of you all, again, it's a free contest. You might as well learn how to invest, learn how to trade with fake money before you risk any real money with real time data. I mean, the portfolio that I have, these are the actual stock prices for these indexes and for the stocks themselves. So you might as well get used to it, start trading, start investing. and that way you get a sense, you get a chance to learn. And again, the contest, you win. If you win first place, you win $100. Second place, 50. Third place, you win 25. So it's free money. Talk to you guys later. Hope you invest.